So hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So today's video is again on HTML topic, and this video is again on HTML form because we have not yet finished all HTML form programs. So let's discuss today's first program. As you can see, it is displayed on the screen. So let's start today's video. So I am gonna copy this program. As you know my technique, I'll just copy the program and I will paste it in my Node++. Then I will save this file into my file of HTML, which is here, and I'm gonna name this file 1.html because this is my first program for today. So I've saved the file. Now let's see the output and then we will understand the program. So as you can see, this is the output, the input size attribute. So this is our input size attribute program. So how did we do? So this is the question. Now let's answer the question. Okay, so this is the output. The size attribute specifies the width in characters of any field. Okay, so now let's see how did we do. So guys, actually you know that there is no use of head tag, so we have not used the head tag. We have come directly to the body tag, and under body tag we have given a heading that is the input size attribute. As you can see, the input size attribute, then we have written a small para by the help of paragraph tag. Then comes the main syntax. Remember this thing. I have said this thing in every HTML form video, because whenever you need to run a HTML form program, then you have to write the syntax, because this is the main syntax. Okay, so then we are coming to label tag, and under label tag we are writing first name in quotation, then bracket close, then first name again to semicolon, then label tag is been closed. Then we are using br tag for a line break. As you can see, a line break is there over here. Then we are writing input type. Input type means giving the data to the user. That is the input type. And what to type, we need to give a text to the computer. This should be written in quotation. Then we are writing id equals to first name quotation in quotation, name equals to first name, that also in quotation. Now size equals to 50, and then we have to closing br tag. Now this size is 50. Okay, means the first name size is 50. As you can see, the size is longer than this size, and this size is 4, as you can see in the program. So this is the 4 size. Okay, so label for pin quotation, pin colon label tag close, then br tag, then you write input text quotation id pin quotation, name equals to pin quotation, size equals to 4, br line break 2 times. Then we are writing this submit by the help of input type tag. We are writing input type tag equal to submit quotation, value equal to submit quotation, bracket close. And then finally we are closing the form tag, which is the main thing. Then we are closing the body tag. Now we are closing the HTML tag. Now guys, I have not discussed a main thing. You might somewhat have a question that why the form tag. Yeah, the form tag is having an opening tag. The opening form tag is over here, and the closing form tag over here. So I was thinking that you guys may be finding that where is the starting form tag. So the starting form tag is this one, form action. Okay, so this was our first program. So wait, before going to the second program, let's do some changes to this program and let's see how does it works. So I'm gonna see this size is 4, right? See if I made it 2, then then what happens. Let's see. So you can see the size has become more smaller. So if I do 1, then let's see what happens, how much small it will become. So it has become more small, right? Now I will do 0.25. Now let's see what happens, how much smaller it will become. So as you can see, it has increased. So 2.5 I will not give, I'll give 0.5. Then let's see what happens. So as you can see, this is not working at all. 0.5 is not working. So last thing is one digit. Okay, so in place of 50, you can see the size of 50. Now let's do 100. We'll do double of this, then see. So as you can see, the size has increased. It is the double of this. So this how we edited this. It was interesting bit. Now let's go to the second program without wasting any more time. Okay, so let's go to the second program. Where is the second program? Here is the second program. As you can see, the second program is all about the input mean and max attribute, minimum and maximum attributes. So let's see this program. So I'm copying the program. So I have copied the program finally, and now I am gonna paste it. So I have pasted also. Now I'm gonna save it by name of 2.html. Then we gonna open this file and see the output. So as you can see, this is the output. So what the output says, the input of minimum and maximum attributes. The mean and max attributes specify the minimum and maximum values of an input element. Achha. Enter a date before 1980 111 and enter a date after 2111. Achha. Quantity between 1 and 5. Achha. So we have to write a date. So if they're saying to write a date, let's write a date. It is 5 and the month should 2 and the year suppose 19 suppose 1972 and a date over here, suppose thing 7. Then let me give my birth 21st 6 2005. Okay, now quantity between 1 and 5. Let's suppose give 3. Submit. It's not working. Whatever this they said to do, so we do. Now let's see how did we make this program. So let's open this. So as you can see, this is the entire, it's a big program. So let's see it. So as you can see, we have used under body tag the heading tag and the paragraph tag. Then after that we have used the main thing, that is form action equals to this thing is used in every program. Then we come to the level tag for equals to data max. Okay, enter a date before atho level input. Then input type equals to date equals to id equals to data max equals to name equal to data max equal to max equals to 1979 equals to 12/31 br. This is the date. See, the calendar has opened. As you can see the output. Then level for date mean. This was max and this was mean. Enter a date after 2000. Okay, then level tag is been closed. Then input type equals to date, id equals to data mean, name equals to quotation data mean equals to 2000. Write the date. Then we have written 2 times vr tag. A line break is there. Then again we have used label tag for quantity between 1 and 5, level tag close. Input type equals to number, id quantity in quotation, name equals to quantity in quotation, mean equals to quotation, max equals to 5 in quotation. Br tag closed, br tag open, and input type equals to submit value. For this submission we have to write this value, as you all guys know. So this is how we do the second program, right? I hope you understand this program. If I'm not, then comment me in the comment section below and let me know that you have understand or not. Okay, so for today guys, only this much. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I see you soon. For bye bye for today's video. So if you like this video, then please do like and subscribe.